stealing our own.
Come on! We gotta get to Garrison before it's too late!
Kill these motherfuckers.
Trying to kill us all!
Where's Garrison?
Bridge fell silent 10 minutes ago. Train's people probably cut the wires.
Ah, god damn it! What about the people with Garrison? The man and woman?
What man and woman?
The Chinese couple.
There's Chinese all over the boat. Ah, fuck!
We gotta get back to the bridge, now! To the command bridge. Lead on, Ricker!
Watch it, guys. Not sure who's friendly and who's enemy.
Roger that. Wrecker, get a stinger and take out that helo!
Supply crate, just ahead. Grab a stinger.
Fucker! Bring up the stinger, Ed! Yeah! After get a lock on it before you fire! Push on! We have to find Garrison!
Go to the med bay. Open it up, Wrecker!
Head is in trouble! Brace the door!
Fuck, back, come on!
Damn!
Cal, she can fight. Where the hell is he?
Garrison had him relocated.
What? You left the side?
He doesn't know who I am. What was I supposed to do? Fight him? I have kept the line of defense. Call command deck. Ask Garrison where he's located. He'll listen to you.
Jesus Christ, Hannah, the command deck is cut off. Let's get the hell out of here. Tombstone, let's go.
On your six.
You're full of surprises, aren't you, Hannah?
Eyes open. Ready?
Get into cover! Damn it, we need to get to the bridge. On your six men! Hannah, cover! Short bounds!
I got it, Mac!
Confirmed! Dirt clear! Bridge is up here.